Alright, so this LeetCode question is called rotate array. It says given an array, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So the first example is the array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and k equals 3. So what you would need is to put 7 in the front of the array, 6 in front of that, and 5 in front of that, which would give you 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. And example 2 is -1, -100, 3, and 99. And k is 2, meaning we have to rotate it 2 times. So 99 would go in front of the array, and 3 would go in front of that, which would give you 3, 99, -1, -100. And then it has a note that says try to come up with as many solutions as you can. There are at least 3 different ways to solve this problem. And in this video, I will show you the reverse method, which reverses the array in O of 1 extra space. Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to use the reversal technique in order to rotate the array. So the first thing you're going to do is to reverse the entire array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then what you do is you reverse the first k elements. So k equals 2, so I have to now reverse the first 2 elements. So 4, 5. And now what I have to do is reverse the remaining elements. So 3, 2, 1. That would be 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, this is effectively the same as moving the last 2 elements to the front, as we would expect. So we would expect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to become 1, 2, 3. 5 goes in the front of that, and 4 goes in the front of that. One last thing to consider is, what if k is more than the length of the array? So let's say k equals 7 instead of 2. If we wanted to do this manually, here's what we would do. We would start off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the original array. Alright, now let's rotate it 7 times. We'll have 5 going in the front, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be 1. Then you'd have 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, that's the second rotation. Then you'd have 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, that's the third rotation. Then you'd have 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, the fourth rotation. Then you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice that we've just rotated it so much that it's back to the original position. So on iteration 6, you would have, again, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on iteration 7, you would have the 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. But notice that after 7 rotations, we come out to the same result that we had with only 2 rotations. So the first thing you should do is you should only rotate it k mod the length of the array number of times. So in this case, we're asked to do it 7 times. The length of the array is 5, so we really only have to rotate it 2 times. Alright, let's start with the code the LeetCode has given us. We have a function called rotate, which takes in an array called nums and a variable k, which is the number of times we have to rotate the array. So remember, the first thing we have to do is we have to get the remainder of k when it's divided by the length of the array. So k equals k mod nums.length. All right, now we have to reverse the array 3 times. So first we have to reverse the entire array. And just note that right now I haven't actually implemented the reverse method. I'll do that at the end, but the implementation of that is not important. So let's just continue. So reverse the array starting at the 0th element all the way to the last element. So nums.length minus 1. So at this point that would look like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we reverse the first k elements in the array. So reverse nums from 0 to k minus 1. Because this is a 0-based index, so that would be this. You would reverse 4 and 5. Then you would reverse the rest of the numbers. So that would be reverse nums k to nums.length minus 1. And that would be this. 1, 2, 3. And that would be it for the implementation of the rotate function. So now we just have to quickly implement the reverse function. So var reverse equals function. It accepts the array we want to reverse, the starting index, and the ending index. Okay, so we'll just do while start is less than end. We need to have a temp variable to hold the first element. So let temp equal nums start. Then we have to replace that first element with the last element. So nums start equals nums end. Then we have to reverse the last element with the first element that we saved in the temp variable. So nums end equals temp. And then we do start plus plus and end minus minus. To quickly show you how we did that, let's say our array is, I don't know, 0, 1, 2, 3. All we're doing is reversing these. So that would be 3, 1, 2, 0, and then reversing these, which would be 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, let's run the code. Looks good. Let's submit it. All right, so, and as you can see, our answer is faster than about 75% of JavaScript submissions. As usual, the code and written explanation are linked down below. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.